Hei alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with a Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to use kun, and bare in Norwegian. Mastering any language involves grappling with its nuanced words and phrases. Norwegian is no exceptions. Amongst its subtle intricacies are the words kun, and bare, both translating to only in English. However, the context in which they are used often differs. Let's delve into these two terms to understand their distinctions and usage better. Basic meanings: kun, kun, kun. This word translates directly to only and often carries a formal tone, is typically seen in written Norwegian. Bare. While it can also mean only, its usage stretches to mean just, merely, or simply. It is more prevalent in spoken Norwegian. Contextual usage, expressing exclusivity and limitation. Kun. Jeg har kun to epler. Jeg har kun to epler. Jeg har kun to epler. I have only two apples. Bare. Jeg har bare to epler. Jeg har bare to epler. Jeg har bare to epler. I have just two apples. Both words can convey the same meaning in this context, and the choice often boils down to tonal preference, softening or offering reassurance. Bare. Bare ta det med ro. Bare ta det med ro. Bare ta det med ro. Just take it easy. Bare. Det er bare en liten feil. Det er bare en liten feil. Det er bare en liten feil. It's just a minor mistake. Here, bare conveys a sense of minimalism or making it the preferred term. Versatility of bare. The word bare serves multiple purposes in Norwegian, proving its versatility. Minimizing an action or event. Det var bare en tanke. Det var bare en tanke. Det var bare en tanke. It was just a thought. Han sa det bare for moro. Han sa det bare for moro. Han sa det bare for moro. He said it just for fun. Making a request or instruction sound less forceful. Kan du ikke bare sjekke dette? Kan du ikke bare sjekke dette? Kan du ikke bare sjekke dette? Can't you just check it, this? Bare fortsett slik. Bare fortsett slik. Bare fortsett slik. Just continue like this. Allowing permission or indicating possibility. Du kan bare prøve. Du kan bare prøve. Du kan bare prøve. You can just try. De kan bare komme inn. De kan bare komme inn. De kan bare komme inn. They can just come in. Potential pitfalls. While kun, and bare can sometimes be used interchangeably, it's crucial to understand the context. Using kun in casual settings can sound overly formal, while relying heavily on bare in official documents or formal occasions may seem too informal. More examples for clarification. Indicating exclusivity. Kun. Hun er kun 16 år gammel. Hun er kun 16 år gammel. Hun er kun 16 år gammel. She's only 16 years old. Bare. Han er bare 16 år gammel. Han er bare 16 år gammel. Han er bare 16 år gammel. He's just 16 years old. Providing reassurance. Bare, bare, bare. Bare vent, det vil bli bedre. Bare vent, det vil bli bedre. Bare vent, det vil bli bedre. Just wait, it will get better. Bare, bare, bare. Det er bare vann. Det er bare vann. Det er bare vann. It's just water. The distinctions between kun, and bare, bare is a delicate yet vital aspect of mastering Norwegian. While both words hover around the meaning of only, their most appropriate use is often hinges on the context and desired tone. As always, practice and immersion in the language will help refine your understanding and usage of these terms. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, one-to-one private classes, early access to new content, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,